Okay, now let's talk about channel statuses. Each channel has a status shown in the left column of the channels list. The icon on the far left can be used to start or pause channels, and the checkbox for auto start tells QuickServer to start this channel automatically when QuickServer is first run. You can also click Start All or Pause All at the top. The various statuses a channel can have are paused, the channel is paused, the hot folder is not being watched and no processing will happen. Next is running. Processing will happen as soon as images are added to the input folder. Next is waiting. The channel requires a trigger file before processing starts, and a trigger file is not yet detected. As soon as a trigger file is added, processing will begin. Invalid. Something is wrong and this channel cannot run. It might be that the preset isn't found, or the channel folders don't exist and they can't be automatically created. Select a channel in the main channel list to see its settings in the right toolbar. Make changes to those settings, then click Save Settings. If you forget to save, the software will prompt you when changing channels. And that's all there is to it. Now you can drop as many images or jobs as you want into the input folder to integrate QuickServer into your workflow.